Hey you guys, Misty here today. I thought I'd jump on here and do a flip through of Ava Browne's new book, Classic Farm Life. And I have also colored a few in here. It's a pretty good book. So here we got our color test page right here to test your markers out. We'll jump into the pictures. I love the pictures. They're good pictures. They describe farm life really well. My father-in-law, mother-in-law, they like building gardens and stuff like that. And I've always grown up in North Carolina all my life, and I'm used to living around country life. And this is a little cute rooster on a fence. And we'll give it a minute before we flip because sometimes my camera is blurry a little bit at the beginning. So we'll just take our time a minute. And what catches my eye on this is the little rooster on the fence. And then you notice the neat little truck in the background there. And the flowers. Yeah, here we have a guy here planting a garden. This is what Monroe likes to do every summer. And now Dwayne, he'll get out and plant a garden. It always helps because you can get all kinds of good food from a garden. Green beans and tomatoes and corn. Squash and cucumbers is what we usually plant. And here we got the cute little dog in the background here. Here we got some horses in the field with the hay and the little trees. And I like the little barn in the background there. And this would be something simple and easy to color. Wouldn't take much time to do, which would be nice to, sometimes you want to just sit down and color something easy instead of a hard picture. And here we got this picture right here. So we got this one. The boy feeding the chickens, the roosters, and the cute little dog, and the barn in the background. It's really nice. I like this one too, the little old lady with the dog. Inside the barn there. I love this picture. What draws me in first is the barn, because I like the way the barn has got all these little lines on it. It's kind of like a grayscale barn, and that's what draws me into this picture is the barn. And then you see the little trucks here. It's really beautiful. This would be a fun picture to color. I'll probably color this one. Usually in Ava Browne's books, I end up coloring about 2 or 3 in one day. I can't stop myself because I like them so well. I like this picture too. They're getting the hay. Here we have a guy on a little tilder. Looks kind of like something that pulls a horse, isn't it? I believe it's got something sitting on that pulls something. Horses or something. Not a tilder. I like it. I colored this picture right here. It's pretty fun to color. It's like the cover here. And I colored this one January the 3rd of this month. And I colored this one. I love this picture too. It's so cute with the little goats and the dog. And see, he's feeding the little goats there. It looks like this could be a cute little brown dog in the works. Also like the boxes and stuff in the background. That would be fun to color. And here we have a classic tractor picture. Making some baskets. They do that a lot in Cherokee around here. The Indians live up there in Cherokee, a lot of them, and they make baskets and different, let's see, they make baskets and bracelets and necklaces out of beads. A lot of times Indians will. Dream catchers. This picture here. Here we got a guy on a tractor. Good picture. Well, this picture too. Nice picture. What draws me in here is the background, the way the building is, the barn. It's nice. It's just fun to color these little items to me. I enjoy coloring them. Works well with the gel pen too. I love that house in the background there with the smoke coming out. And a little chimney there and the wood stove pipe. Feeding the chickens is definitely country life for sure. We don't have any chickens, but our next door neighbor below us, she has several roosters. And right here now, guys, is where I messed up on a picture. And I tried to save it. I was trying to use up my Arteza Everland markers, so I'll show you guys the picture in a minute. I colored it back here in the back. Thank goodness there was an extra page, but I went ahead and tore it out because it was just awful. So I'll show you guys in a minute the picture. Yeah, it was just a mess. Yeah, here's this right here, what we see in the picture here, and there's the tractor there, and he's a tilden. I colored this picture also. I did this one January the 2nd of this month. That's when I did this one. It was easy to color. I decided to color the roof purple there, something different. But I really enjoyed coloring this one. It was really fun to do. Let's see where this is. I had cardstock down but it still went through right here. But I think I can fix it though. I like this picture too. I colored this one also. It was fun to do. I did this one January the 2nd of this month is when I did this one. I used some markers and then I went in there with some gel pen. And then I decided to highlight the chair and the pillow black there. Yeah, it went through a little bit here too. That yellow, that bright yellow, that Arteza Everblend, I was trying to use them up. That's what the marker is. So I think I can fix this though right here. Okay, now let me go back here. Okay, this this is the one that I messed up on, and this is the duplicate page right here. So I wanted to go ahead and color and show you guys the picture. I did this on January the 3rd. And one thing about Arteza Everblend markers is that they run out really easy. And this is what happened on this picture here. It ran out the color. So I thought, well, I didn't know what else to do. So I didn't have a color like it in Arteza. So I just went ahead and went on this side here with another color. Kind of make it multicolored. But that's how that one was. And also, Ava Browne gives you a code in their book. So you can always print it out online, a digital code that you can use and print out in color if you want to color extra pictures. So that's a good thing right there. But I really enjoy this book. It's a really nice book. I really like it. And somebody was asking me about it to do a flip through. I was going to do a flip through today on it and show you guys the pictures. I wanted to color a few and show you. All right, well, there's the flip through there of Classic Farm Life, guys. So we'll be back again, and I'll probably do another flip through in another book I got right after this one. So have a good day. I love you all. Bye-bye.